So hello. So today we've come down the allotment. It's raining again, and we're going to show you the update of Grow Your Own magazine and Kitchen Garden magazine. So today we're down the plot and it's another day of rain. So I just thought I'd go through the Grow Your Own magazine and the Kitchen Garden magazine and show you what seeds they got. So with Grow Your Own, it comes with 10 packs of free seeds worth £42. Okay, so let's have a look what we got. So the first one along, spring onion performer for all year round sowing. So this can be done from March. And we have Money Maker tomato. These for outdoors and indoors. So that's not so bad. Next one along is spinach Medina. This can be done March, April. So we've got some seeds for the right month. More Bolt Hardy, that's a normal favourite, that's quite regular. March, April. And we've got lettuce, Valmain, cut and come. So this is a different one, I've not seen this one. An excellent space saver. So that might be good for some of my edges of my polytunnel. Mustard. Not sure about mustard. This is quite a nice one. Chili pepper. So mild and full flavour. February, March, April. So yeah, might do that one. Basil. We've got some basil growing. Though it's not doing very good. Leek musselburgh. We've got some musselburgh down the end there. And this one I quite like. Carrot. Cosmic purple. I've seen Phillipstown No Dig Allotment do some carrots in a carrot bed using sharp sand and a guttering hoe to drill out the holes. I'm quite tempted to do something like that, similar. So anyway, they will Grow Your Own magazine, and you got 10 lots. So ones that I would use, there's a couple that I haven't, and a couple I've already done. So yeah, so we go on to Kitchen Garden. So I looked at these in WH Smith's, and I purchased these from Tesco's, and the ones extra in Tesco's got a free pack of gloves. So if you buy them in WH Smith's, you don't get the gloves. The last time I bought these, the gloves were very small, but they would do. They are tight, but they would do, and they will become useful. So let's have a look at what seeds they got. So you've got 2 lots of seeds, 10 packets again. So let's have a look what we've got on this lot. So we've got radish, white icicle. I got some radish white icicle, March, April. Cucumber, market more. I haven't decided on what cucumbers I'm doing yet. I'm going to do some in the polytunnel, but I'm really not sure. I've got so many thoughts of doing stuff in the polytunnel. I'm going to run out of space before I know it. Next one we got is beet leaf perpetual spinach. That can be sown now. And this one, I'm going to do this one, kale, Nero di Toscana. That's a nice one. I'm going to do that one. We'll get that one in the ground. And we got some sprouts. Not heard of this one called before. Fill basket. So that's March, April. Tall stems of sprouts over a long period. So March to April, harvest November to January. So I've got some sprouts on the go down there. They're coming up quite nicely. So the next packet along we've got is purple sprouting broccoli. I'm sure we've got some sprouting broccoli. And that can be sown April to May. And we've got cabbage. We're not great cabbage eaters. Our traditional early, compact, fast growing pointed cabbage. The cabbage I did grow last year was a pointed one and it came out quite good, but we never ate it. So maybe the next seed swap. The next one along is marrow. Long green bush 4. So April to June, 10 seeds. Won't be doing marrows. And we've got more cauliflower all year round. Just potted up my cauliflower, potted it up into smaller tubs. I'll show you. And the last one, lettuce, salad bowl. So we've got 10 lots of seeds. Can't say we're doing many of those, but there'll be a few. And there'll be a few going to the next seed swap. So there we go, along with a pair of gloves. That's what we have for the 2 magazines for April. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe if you're not subscribed, and ring the bell and get notifications when I post some more. And looking forward to growing some nice fruit and veg in my nice clean polytunnel. Thank you very much. Cheers.